Hello guys, we are back. This is DK Pro Studios, located at Jofra Plaza, shop number 1, opposite Kitui Agriculture Training Center. We are here to discuss about the 2027 election, basically on the position of presidency. As you know, we have seen many government officials and moving up and down from county to county, trying to urge Kenyans to vie and to vote for them come 2027. Let's begin with Fred Matiang'i. We have seen Fred Matiang'i just the other day. He was in Kisii, and a lot of people were very happy upon Fred Matiang'i revealing his passion come 2027 that he will vie for the presidency position, and he have to overtake after the presidency who is on position right now, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Matiang'i, when he was a Minister of Education, he did a very good job. In fact, tangu Kenya ifike mahali imefika when it comes to education, it's only during the time of Matiang'i where KCSE leakages ama leakage of the exams was very minimal. Again, during his term ama during his time when he was a Minister of Internal Security, he did also a very good job. Hapo hivyo curfew ilikuwa inashikwa doria vizuri sana, and like many Kenyans walikuwa watiifu juu the rules were very tight. Now on the other side we have our man here from Kampani, none other than Kalonzo Musyoka. During the time of Kibaki, he was the deputy president. And when President Ruto was trying to vie for that position, he was also vying with his fellow colleague there, Raila Amolo Odinga. And after all, now we have seen Kalonzo as an opposition leader right now. Lakini, anaweza tuambia alifanya nini? Even akiwa the vice president, alifanya nini Kampani other than the prison yenye alijenga pale Mwingi kwao? Unajua, when it comes to a position ya like, na tunaona Wakenya wamechoka. Wakenya in real sense wamechoka. Ingekuwa like ni leo na tumeamua tupige kura leo, inaweza fanyika vizuri sana juu Kenyans are tired. Kenyans are tired, and we want to bring Kenya back and to Kenya to move forward. During the time of Kibaki, economy was very quiet, okay, and like things were moving on well. Lakini say so many people wanalalamika. So many people wanalalamika. But hakuna venye tunaweza pinga. All we know, tunajuanga uongozi unatokanga kwa Mungu. Despite President Ruto say yako on position right now, na yeye ndo tunamjua kama rais wetu wa nchi ya Kenya. We have to respect that. We have to respect his position. We have to respect his leadership. We have to respect his job. Na lazima also tumpatia a time afanye kazi yake kama rais. Atuonyeshe yeye ni rais. Amefanya 1 2 3. We have to agree since ni yeye yuko, ni yeye alichaguliwa na Mungu. There is another guy here in your company by the name Kaluyu. Amekuwa na some movements within Kitui County na urge Kenyans wafanye nini, wa vote for him. Despite, I don't know Kaluyu anajulikana wapi. Na Kaluyu, he might be a good guy also. Anaweza pewa that seat, but sio rahisi. Cha kumwambia tu ni atie bidii. Wajakoya, if you guys you listen kama mlisikiza Wajakoya during the previous elections, manifesto yake, that guy alikuwa na make sense sana. That guy alikuwa anaona mbali sana. Lakini watu wengi walikuwa wanasema alikuwa anatumika just afanye nini aharibu kura. But I can't agree to that. And all I can say Fred Matiang'i wakiungana na mtu kama Kalonzo Musyoka, I'm sure very early in the morning watakuwa already wamechukua that position, na Matiang'i already atakuwa president come 2027. And as they move on, wachukue mtu kama Wajakoya na wamfix tu mahali, ama apewe just a certain position in government. And I'm sure that guy, the way is intelligent, the way that man is wise, wallahi Kenya itasonga mbele. Because we need a bright minds, we need yani watu wanaelewa what Kenya deserves, what Kenya needs, and where Kenya will be 10 years time from now. We are heading what we call Vision 2030. Kila raisi na kila mwanasiasa na kila government official, the moment anakuja ground on people, they just promised us that Vision 2030 Kenya will be at a different position. Vision 2030 Kenya itakuwa at another level. But now we are 2025. Just 2 years down the line tutakuwa tumefika 2027. 3 years after 2027 already tutakuwa 2030. Where Kenya will be? Where will Kenya be? Where will Kenya be? In fact right now kazi ni mingi, ni watu wengi Kenya hawana kazi, wanarika wengi sana